Most AI tools ask you to bring your work to them. You upload a file, you wait, you copy the output back into your actual workflow. Abacus CoWork does something completely different. It comes to your work right there on your desktop, and it actually finishes the job. Not summarizes it, not reorganizes it into a slightly cleaner folder, finishes it. Think about what your week actually looks like. A new client needs an onboarding brief. An existing client wants a monthly performance report. You are trying to pitch a local roofing company and need a competitor analysis before Friday. You have got a restaurant client whose Google reviews need to become a content calendar. Every one of those tasks is billable. Every hour you spend building them manually is an hour not spent closing the next client. That backlog is not a productivity problem, it is a leverage problem. Abacus CoWork from Abacus AI closes that gap. I am Paul James. This channel is about building real service businesses with AI tools that do not cost a fortune and do not require a team. If that is what you are building, you are in the right place. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. Here is the core thing to understand about how Abacus CoWork works. Every cloud-based AI tool you have tried runs on the same model. You move your files to their platform, you deal with upload limits and format headaches, you wait for output, then you bring the results back into your real workflow. That friction adds up every single time. CoWork runs natively on your computer, available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. No technical language needed. Describe the job in a sentence and it starts working. It reads every document in the folder, plans the steps, and executes each one. Polished deliverables land right back in your directory. Nothing leaves your machine unless you decide to share it. I am calling this the local leverage loop. That is the framework tying this whole video together. The idea is simple. Stop moving your work to the AI. Let the AI move through your work. What comes out the other side is finished, polished output that used to require a whole team. Now it takes one person and a clear instruction. The first place the local leverage loop creates real income is client onboarding. This is where most digital marketing consultants quietly lose hours every single week. A new local business client signs on. Now you need to get smart about their business fast. Their website copy, their old ads, their Google review history, their intake form. Every piece of information is in a different format and none of it talks to each other. Here is a concrete picture of what this looks like in practice. Imagine you just signed a dental practice as a new client. On your desktop is a folder. Website export, 2 years of Google reviews, a competitor breakdown, your discovery call notes. You point Abacus CoWork at that folder and give it one instruction. Read everything, find the gaps between how they talk about themselves and what their best reviews actually say. Build me a strategy brief for the kickoff call. Here is where things get wild. CoWork reads every file at once. It pulls the strongest themes from the reviews, the ones patients mention over and over. It compares those themes against how the practice talks about itself on the website. It flags the gaps. It identifies the exact language real patients use, language the practice is not using anywhere in its marketing. Minutes later, you have a strategy brief on the screen, positioning gaps highlighted, content themes ranked by review frequency, messaging recommendations with direct quotes pulled from actual patient feedback. That brief used to take a skilled consultant most of a morning. Now it is done before the kickoff call starts. Most people never realize this part. Abacus CoWork is honest about its own limits. When data has gaps, it flags them precisely and tells you exactly where to verify. It does not manufacture missing information to fill blanks. For a service business, that honesty matters more than raw speed. Clients pay premium rates for trustworthy deliverables, not for confident hallucinations dressed up as analysis. This part used to stress me out when I was trying to figure all of this out. Getting AI tools to acknowledge limits instead of fabricating answers was a constant challenge early on. Abacus CoWork addresses that problem at the architecture level. Now, here is another place the local leverage loop pays off directly. Pitching new local business clients is one of the highest leverage activities you can do. But good pitches take real preparation. You need to understand how the business stacks up against its local competitors. You need specific talking points. You need to walk in prepared, but you have a full client roster to manage. You cannot spend a week on every pitch. Drop the prospect's website, 3 competitor websites, and their Google and Yelp review archives into a folder. Point Abacus CoWork at it, tell it to cross-reference everything, find the gaps in how competitors are positioning themselves. Build a pitch brief around what this business is not capitalizing on. CoWork reads every page. It identifies patterns across competitor reviews. It flags where every other roofer in town is getting hammered on response time. Your prospect has a perfect record on that. CoWork surfaces it. You walk into the meeting with evidence-based recommendations and a client-specific opportunity map. You look like the most prepared person in the room because you are, that is the positioning opportunity. This tool handles work agencies charge thousands of dollars for. You are not just saving time. You are unlocking a service tier you could not reach before. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is the third money angle, and this one is the one that builds recurring revenue. Monthly content retainers are one of the most reliable income streams in local digital marketing, but they are also time intensive to deliver. A restaurant client wants 30 days of social content every month. You need post ideas, captions, hashtags, and platform-specific variations. You need to pull from what is actually working for them, not just generic content. Give CoWork their menu PDF, past posts, their review archive, and a note on upcoming promotions. One instruction: build a complete 30-day content calendar with platform-specific copy for each post. Stay with me because this next piece is important. CoWork reads every input simultaneously. It identifies the dishes and experiences that show up most in positive reviews. It pulls the language real customers use. It builds post copy around those themes, calibrated by platform. Instagram captions with the right tone. Facebook posts with local hooks. 30 days of content organized by date, ready to schedule. That is a retainer service local businesses pay for every month without blinking. Abacus CoWork cuts that delivery time down dramatically, which means you can take on more clients without burning out. That is how a solo operator starts to scale. Abacus CoWork connects into a much larger platform. Sign up at chatlm.abacus.ai and you get access to over 40 AI models. Every major lab, one subscription. The chat interface handles research and writing. Deep Agent handles browser-based tasks and application building. The desktop app includes a developer CLI and a live meeting assistant. It transcribes calls and answers questions in real time. That is a complete AI operation stack for one solo operator, starting at $10 a month, with your first month at $7. And the security side is built for professionals handling client data. Abacus AI is SOC 2 Type 2 certified and HIPAA compliant. CoWork creates new output files without modifying your originals. Your data is encrypted and never used to train models. Let me close with something real. When I was getting started, I was working out of my brother's garage. I was building a business on part-time effort with no real budget. The bottleneck was never the quality of the ideas. It was production capacity. Getting from concept to a client-ready deliverable took hours I never had enough of. I was trying to build something meaningful, without the resources most people assume you need. Abacus CoWork is the kind of leverage I would have used every single day back then, not because it replaces the thinking, because it handles the execution. The thinking is the only thing you have to show up for. Imagine what your next 30 days look like with this as your production engine. You onboard a new client. CoWork processes their intake materials and delivers a strategy brief before the kickoff call. You pitch a local business. CoWork builds a competitor analysis while you are still scheduling the meeting. You deliver a content retainer. CoWork turns a folder of inputs into a complete calendar while you are scoping the next deal. The local leverage loop compounds over time. Each project takes less of your time. Your capacity grows without adding overhead or expense. And each deliverable you send raises the bar for what clients expect from you. You are delivering the kind of strategic work clients associate with full agencies, not solo operators. That is what competing above your weight class actually looks like, not by matching anyone's headcount, by matching their output. Get started at desktop.abacus.ai. $7 gets you the first month, less than most people spend on coffee this week, and you can cancel before the month is up if it is not for you. The risk is basically zero. The upside is a production engine that changes what you can offer and what you can charge. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income.